This is a wonderful and exciting investment opportunity right now. You are seeing Bitcoin down 72% from its highs. You are seeing an asset that adoption is going like this and supply is coming down, and it is a very predictable supply. You don't have the Fed that can come in and say, hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and put some more money in the system. Or you don't have the central government that can say, you know what? Let's go ahead and devalue the dollar and let's print $3 trillion for some stimulus for the economy and for the citizens in it. It doesn't work that way in this. So when should you buy? Well, right around 20,000 right now, which is where the price is, it's a great time to get in at a 70% discount from the previous high and start dollar cost averaging. I do not want you to get in here and dump your entire investment bucket that you have set aside for this in one shot. Reason being, we do believe, or I do believe, that we are going to see price come down further from here. I don't think the bottom is in both the equity and the cryptocurrency markets. The other thing that you want to consider is you don't want to wait for that absolute bottom because there's all kinds of extraneous forces out there that can happen. What if the Fed pivots earlier than we expect? You don't want to miss this opportunity. So the best way to do it is, as you see price moving down, to slowly chip away at it and continue to invest. And if it goes lower, you can invest some more and reduce your cost basis over time. But here's the good news. Does it really matter if you invest at 14,000 versus 20,000 over the course of the next couple of years if it goes well above 100,000? It's not going to make that big of a difference. If you bought one Bitcoin today at $20,000, you're going to get a 5x return at least over the next 2 to 3 years, in my personal and humble opinion.